other applications do you see for AI in marketing outside of, what a Hawke AI does?
Yeah, I mean, Chat GPT, obviously, as you mentioned, is a hot
Never
topic,
heard of
right?
it.
Yeah,
Just kidding.
yeah. It's all the rage, and everybody on LinkedIn is posting, "Here's my 10 tips to use it." What application I think is interesting there, again, in terms of an 80/20, is helping produce content and producing outreach in the marketing field. So understanding everything from sales and outbound content into ad copy itself, etc. I think the machine and OpenAI doesn't necessarily have the context of brand, right? You can type that in, but will it really resonate? I think the application though of getting ideas, thought starters, that brainstorm list is where I see it going, and that's sort of the the thesis of everything is, to me, use it as an efficiency tool.
Mhm.
Don't use it as a replacement, and that's sort of my thinking on it.